Hi everybody! Letter S day. Letter S sounds like S for Sammy Snake. We have uppercase and lowercase s. They look the same, don't they? They sure do. S. And the way to make an S, I can't get my lid off. Ugh. Okay. Letter S, uppercase, swings around like that. Remember, we talk about we go to the left first, then we go to the right. So those are uppercase S. Lowercase s has to be shorter, but they look the same. Do the left, then go to the right. To the left, and then to the right. But they do look the same, don't they? Just different sizes. So we're going to do letter S. Sammy Snake teaches us letter S. Now let's look at some pictures of things that start with S. We have a sun, starfish. What do you put on a letter before you mail it? You lick it and you stick it on there. It is a stamp. This is a spoon. Spider. Sock. Number 6. Seal. Sandcastle. Snake. We have a lot of S ones. Snail. Slide. And soap. Boy, we had a lot of words for S. I have a sentence behind me for soap. I'll read it to you. Wash your hands with soap and water. Notice there's a nice space around the sides of my words. If they were squished together, it would be very hard to read, so we have them all by themselves. Wash your hands with soap and water. And did you notice I started up here? Because we don't read from the bottom, do we? And we start up here, wash, and we go from the left to the right. If I read it backwards, that wouldn't make a lot of sense. Wash your hands with soap and water. I want to count. How many words did I make? We like to do a contest in this class to see how long our sentences can be. So this will be our first contest. We've got wash your hands with soap and water. How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We made a sentence that was 7 words long. Now, one thing you can practice at home if you want to do a contest at home, get your popsicle sticks, and instead of clapping our hands, we will tap. Wash your hands with soap and water. Water is a word, even though it's 2 claps. Water. That's a different game. We're not doing that game. Wash your hands with soap and water. Okay, so that is today for letter S. We'll see you next time.